Subscribe to House to Home. This is absolutely free. And also tap the bell icon so that you will get all notifications from our channel. Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel House to Home. This episode is on our terrace garden tour, a very requested video of all times. So this is my garden. Let me show you what all plants that I have. From this side I have brinjals. I have many varieties of brinjals, round ones, longer ones, and so. These are good and big, and these varieties are lengthy and long, and these are especially good for fries. These are so tasty and so organic. The only problem that I face with these plants are these kind of insects. I have two remedies for these insects which are also organic. So that I'll leave you the link in the description box so you can check it. This is a new sapling of snake guard. Just they started flowering. And we made this climbing support by ourselves. For which I have made a separate episode, and you can check the link in the description box as well. And these are few saplings of lady's finger. I've used 3 grow bags for it. The links of these grow bags also will be given in the description box. And this is the clutter beans. I have 2 grow bags of clutter beans. These are so good for health, so fresh that you can see. And this is another sapling of rich gourd. This is also a new sapling. And the best time to grow the climbing varieties of plants is the Tamil month of Adi, that falls between August. And we water the plants 2 times a day, morning and in the evening. And here I got spicy hot rare green chilies, so fresh. And moving on, here are my lady's fingers, green and fresh. These are absolutely organic. You can also try organic planting if you have a rooftop or a terrace space. Look at those flowers. I really love these lady's finger flowers a lot. And this time the cucumber yield is really good. This is a country variety of cucumber. We really feel refreshed when we spend some time near in our garden. This green view of my garden really makes me feel fresh when I am really stressed. If you want to know more about gardening, you can just give your comments below. I'm eager to answer you all. I also have amaranthus, since we get red amaranthus very rarely here at our place. you all enjoyed watching this episode. If you really like my garden, then please give me out a very big thumbs up. Post your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Also share the episode. Thanks for watching House to Home.